rake. Now this is my favorite one. Essentially, you give a percussive tone to the bend by adding a couple of strings below that, muted, and then just going for it. So for example, if I'm gonna go and bend that G note here, 8th fret on the B, up whole tone, and add a rake, it would sound like this. As opposed to, that's just a plain bend with the rake. And actually, all our work that we did for muting with the index comes handy here because the index is already in place and it allows us to just add those 2 strings. Muted. Same thing. I think it tends to sound better on the higher bends because the lower you get to the string, that sort of rake sound, the percussive tone gets a bit more boomy. So it depends on your tone, of course, but yeah, that's the rake. That's how you get it, by palm muting from the right hand and just picking a couple of strings below the note you're aiming for.